Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 5A, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and once you see the boot options, or never mind, where power button brings up the Google, so power button and volume up. And once you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. When you do, it changes into reboot to safe mode. I'm gonna click on OK to initiate the reboot and wait for the device to boot back up. When it does, it automatically enters safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. And obviously this is done for troubleshooting purposes. So there we go. Let's quickly unlock it. So you can see widgets also don't work in this mode, and on the second page we have a bunch of applications which don't work, like Spotify, Xiaomi, and so on. So any app that looks like this, which is just transparent and grayed out, just will not work in this mode, and if you try to open it up, it gives you the pop-up at the bottom. Now once you're done troubleshooting your device and you want to go back to the normal mode, hold power button and volume up again, and this time around just select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.